Hey, what's up YouTube? On this video we're going to cut a Fiat 500 key, which is a SIP22 blade. So to do that, we'll go to the app here, we'll go to cars, and we'll go down to Fiat, and numbers are all the way at the bottom here. So go to Fiat 500 from 2007. It's the letter code series. And I'm going to put the code in, which is Delta Echo 0 1811. And hit the little search. And that should give us our cuts right there. And it's telling us to use the S1 jaw. And it's telling us just to shoulder stop it on the jaw here. So go ahead and do that. Flip our jaw. Brush the flakes off here. Got our blade. And go ahead and just gonna shoulder stop it. Like so. And go back over to the app here. Just close the picture. And hit cut. And using 2mm cutter, we'll do 3 passes. Speed 8's fine. Hit cut. Just confirm we got 2mm cutter going. And now let the machine do its thing here. All right, side one. Going to get the chips off of here. And flip it over here. We'll shoulder stop it on the other side. And on the app here again, we're just going to hit cut. And go ahead and cut the other side, then we'll test it out, make sure it works. All right, our side 2 cut. We're going to get the chips off and we'll test it out here, make sure that it works. Got our Fiat lock right here. And look at that, works beautifully. We'll flip it over and perfect. So there's a SIP22 key cut on the Black Widow key machine. I'll go ahead and throw this in the playlist here with all the other keys I've cut on this machine. And if you have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.